Hello, I'm Renato, Senior Technical Support at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series TSW Digital Temperature Switch. Today, I'll be showing you how to remove a jumper from the switch in order to program the unit. To start, loosen the 4 screws fastening the cover of the unit using a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the cover is open, you will see the green printed circuit board and you can find the jumper near the integrated circuit. It sits over 2 pins sticking out from the printed circuit board. You can use either your fingers or use a long nose pliers to do so. Once the jumper is removed, one can start programming the unit. When you are done with programming, replace the jumper to lock out the programming that you have entered. If you do not want to lock out the programming and do not want to lose the jumper, you can insert the jumper on just 1 pin. Your TSW is now ready to use. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.